Okay, so we're going to follow PEMDAS. P E M D. My what? It is. It is. They're gel pens. A S. Now, P stands for parentheses, parentheses. That's why I became a math teacher for English. Parentheses. I think it's an E.
I was going to say put I guess.
Yeah, maybe it is not. I'm going to put an I. And then E is,
I don't know.
Yeah. E is for exponents.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yep, multiply, divide. Now, multiply and divide, adding, subtraction are on the same level, really. Okay? So when you get down to multiplication and division, you just go left to right.
Better.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm not doing.
I don't. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Teachers still really care about that now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, well. The only thing that kind of distracts me a little bit is if you guys use red pen.
Yeah,
I use red pen. If what? I don't mind pen. It's just when I grade in red pen. It's just out of habit. I should use a different color. Maybe I won't. Okay, so PEMDAS. So, number one, we're going to look to see if we have parentheses. Well, we don't. So the next thing we look for is exponents. No exponents. Yep, the first thing, then we look at multiplication division. So we're going to go left to right. The first thing we have is multiplication. Now, multiplications between the 2 and the 5. Okay, I'm only going to do one step at a time here. Okay, so I'm going to bring down the 2 plus 2 times 5 is 10 divided by 5. See? They're doing this on purpose. They want you to go left to right, do 2 plus 10 divided by 5. But we're not at the end, so we're still at the multiplication division. We have to do this first. Yeah. That's why 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now I can do the 2 plus 2. That's why I tell students, try to do one step at a time. Okay? There's a Chrome card. Thought it was not. All right, number 3. I have parentheses here. So parentheses first. 2 times 2? 4. I'm going to drop the parentheses because it's not a negative number or anything, or any exponents. Divided by second set of parentheses. 4. Now I've got division is the only thing left, so 4 divided by 4 is. Okay, number 5. No parentheses. Next one, exponents. So I have an exponent here, 3q. Now, does everybody know how to do that on their calculators?
What?
The caret key?
No.
Okay, so I've got I've got 3. My caret key is right here. Okay, so I'm going to raise it to the third. Okay, so 3 raised to the third is 27. It's the one I do first. 27 plus 6 minus 2. All I have left is addition, subtraction. They're on the same level, so go left to right. 27 plus 6, 33, minus 2, 31. They're going to trick you up, though. I guarantee it, because I do it. I'll do it so fast that I'll mess it up too at times. Okay, number 7. Okay, we're going to do parentheses first. So I have 5 minus the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, what do I do first? 10 divided by 2 because multiplication and division is before subtraction. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, 5. Then I have the minus 1. Still got to work on my parentheses. 5 minus 5 minus. Now I can drop my parentheses. 5 minus 4?
1.
Now, number 9, I have parentheses inside parentheses. And this actually happens a lot in mathematics. Okay? Yes, do the innermost parentheses first. So I'm going to have to do the 3 plus 3 first. So I'm going to keep the outer parentheses. In fact, I'm going to bring down the divided by 6 because nothing's going to happen over here. So 3 plus 3, 6. And times 2 divided by 6. Still have to do parentheses. 6 times 2. Well, bring down the divided by 6. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. Yep. Okay. 11 through 25. We're evaluating what we're given the values, okay, using the given values. So what we have to do is whatever they give us for the variable, we plug it into the equation or the expression.
So what would you do for like the 5?
Okay.
5?
The negative 2 times negative 5. And I'm going to tell you, rewrite the equation, okay? So I have j, I'm going to substitute something for j, minus 2, and I'm going to substitute something for h. I'm going to put in something for j and something for h, okay? All right, now for j, I'm going to put the 1. So here's j, put the 1. For the h, I'm going to put in negative 5. See how putting parentheses there, it really helps with the negative number. So now I have 1, and here I have, I could either take negative 2 times negative 5, or put a minus there and multiply that by negative 5 and get a double negative. I like taking negative 2 times negative 5 gives me a positive 10. It's just easier to think, for me to think that way. And then 10 plus 1. Okay, let's do some trickier ones. 13 looks a little tricky. Okay, so n is going to be negative 2. P is going to be 1. Bless you. So for n, I'm going to plug in the -2, and for p, I'm going to plug in the 1. Now I'm going to rewrite this, and for teaching purposes, I'm going to put my parentheses in. So -2 times, I have parentheses, and for the n, I'm going to have another parentheses, minus the p, I'm going to have another parenthesis, and then I have divided by 3. Okay, my n is -2, and my p is 1. So I have -2 times my parenthesis. Really don't need that multiplication sign. -2 minus 1.
No. Yeah.
-3. Okay. Divided by 3. Now I'm down to multiplication and division. So I'm going to go left to right. First thing I have, -2 times -3, +6. Okay, divided by +3, going to give me 2. So they kind of get harder.
A lot of work.
And it is a lot of work. See what other ones here they might try to trick us. Let's try 19. So x is 2, y is 2. So wherever I see a variable, I'm going to put in 2. That's 2 times y times parentheses -4 plus x. I'm going to put in parentheses for x, then close that setup. So y is 2 and x is 2. Okay. So I got to do parentheses first. So I have 2 times 2, parentheses first, -4 plus 2 is -2. I also have left this multiplication. 2 times 2 is
4.
Times -2,
Uh,
-8. So 4 times -2,
so whenever it's a positive,
yes. I think you guys are good. '24 is kind of interesting. X is -5, Z is -4. So I have X minus X divided by 6 plus Z, which is parentheses. Should have been. Okay, so X, -5, minus a -5, and then Z is -4. Now, whenever I have a number minus itself, what is it? 0. Divided by 6 minus 4, or I'm going to put plus -4. Yeah, anything you can divide 0, you just can't divide a number by 0. Can't go the other way. So this is 0 plus -4, which is just questions, comments, concerns. Tomorrow we have the pretest.
oh,
Let me turn that. bring up